Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we are going to talk about that is IELTS easy or difficult? Yeah, and to begin with the straightforward, I would say that it depends. It depends. There are some things that if you do those, your IELTS journey will be easier, a bit easier, okay? And if you do certain things and if you don't do certain things, your journey will be difficult, okay? So IELTS is neither easy nor difficult. It depends upon your approach, that how you are dealing with that. And there is one key element that makes your IELTS easy, that is consistency. That how much consistent you are, how much you can sit, how longer you can sit, and you can practice and you can learn from your mistakes. And not only like IELTS is not about just practice, 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 and practice. You have to do smart practice. We will of course learn that how to do that smart practice, but I will like to tell you something about that, that you don't just do the practice of one paper and then second paper and then the third paper. No, when you do one reading, you do one reading passage, okay? And then you are done with that and you came to know that out of 13 you got 10 right and 3 wrong, or you may got 10 wrong or 3 right. It depends, at the start. So what you have to do is what people mostly do, they just run to the next one, the next passage. This is not something you have to do in your practice. While you're practicing, what you have to do when you're done with the one passage, and you have to look at your mistakes, that why you got that true and false wrong, why you got that fill in the blanks wrong, why you got that multiple choice wrong, what was the problem with that, why the answer was B and you were considering it C. So when you will know that where you are making mistake and why you are making that mistake, then you will be able to overcome that in the next passage. And if you're just practicing and not knowing your weakness, whether it is speaking or reading or writing or listening, you're not going to have the progress. So what makes your IELTS easier is the consistency, that you have to be consistent, not like working for 2 days, reading for 2 days, and then for 4 days you are just out and hanging out. No, you have to be consistent. Secondly, you have to do the smart work, you have to look at your mistakes. And thirdly, what you have to do is you have to book your IELTS test. Yes, that will make your IELTS easier, because you will know that this is the thing that I am going to do on that day, and you will be practiced about that. And if you're not going to do these things, it will make your IELTS difficult. Or if you are just taking it as a test that you cannot do and you have low self-esteem and low confidence and low belief on yourself, this is also gonna make difficult for you. So consistency, and then smart strategy, and then believing on yourself and booking your test, these are the things that can make your IELTS journey easier. Inshallah, in the next video, we will talk about each section or each module of IELTS in not in that much detail, but I would like to introduce you my way of understanding of that. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.